Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. I'm Gautam and leader of this group. We all are gathered here to discuss on a very crucial topic, which is time management. We all know that how much time is important in your life. Okay, so why we are not able to manage our time in a student life? So we will interact with all of you one by one, and you will have to give one proper factor because of which we are not able to manage our time. Okay, so according to me, the multitasking is one of the more factor because of which we are not able to manage our time. Generally people try to do multiple tasks at the same time, isn't it? Yes, but because of that they don't complete any task properly and effectively. So we should avoid the multitasking. Okay, we should have one time in a one work in a one time. So there are lots of members, we will interact with each other one by one. Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Jai Kishan Yadav.
Your name is Jai Kishan.
Yeah.
Okay, so where are you from?
I am from Chauparan.
Okay, you are from Chaparan.
Yeah.
So are you a student?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
In this time, I am pursuing B.Ed.
You are pursuing B.Ed.
Yeah.
From which college are you pursuing B.Ed?
Swami Dharmananda College of Education.
Okay, so that lots of people are around you
Yeah.
who is not able to manage his or her time.
Yeah.
So please tell me one or two factor
Yeah.
why people are not able to manage his or her time.
Okay. So first of all, thank you Gautam to give me opportunity
Okay.
to say about time management.
Yes.
So my opinion, my thought is that the first factor is lack of awareness.
Lack of
The student prepare a goal, but they not knowledge about the goal, and lack of awareness then they can't able to do anything, not set mind
Yes.
what you can do in a day.
Yes.
So lack of awareness is the major factor to achieve our goal.
Yes.
And second is lack of motivation. Sometimes the student will not motivate. They should use the social media to motivate, and they spend the time lot of time, and then after he have not much time to do anything. So first of all the major point is lack of motivation. You will motivate ourselves because you set a goal, so you will self motivate what can you do in our life.
You are saying that people don't have mentor who will make him understand that how time is important, how much time is important. Okay, that's why people are not able to manage his time. So he said that lack of awareness and lack of motivation. So he said lack of awareness means that we have to aware about that particular field, in that particular field, whatever or in which field we are going to do anything. Okay, I am giving you an example. Okay, a student who want to crack UPSC exam. Okay, so they should have knowledge that how many exam they have to crack and what type of book they have to read. Then only he will able to crack his exam. Okay, so I have lots of candidate. I will ask your name.
Yes, my name is Shoaib Ansari.
Yes. Why people are not able to manage his or her time?
Yes.
Please tell me one or two factors.
Yes, people are not manage his or her time because there are many factors there. That's why they don't have to manage our time. I am going to say first factor. The first factor is procrastination. Procrastination is like we have given to do task in today, but we can't do that task today, and we procrastinate for tomorrow, and we are not able to manage our time, and that's why we are not able to manage our time. And the most memorable statement that kal karo so aaj karo so ab. And my second factor is no planning for day. if we have no planning for that, then we can't manage our time, and we are not able to manage our time. If and like there are many people are successful in our life because he had planned for day, and as we know that Ayan sir is also very successful person because he had planned for that for day. That's why he is a very successful person, and we have not planned for day, then we can't able to successful in our life.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, and my next factor is inefficient process. And as we know that we are all studying here, and I am not a student of JEE, but I am giving example. The JEE aspirants are doing preparation for JEE examinations, but he are not preparing on right way, but he are preparing on inefficient way. That's why he are not able to crack the examination of JEE, and he are not able to crack the examination of JEE, and he is wasting our time on inefficient way process. And this is my statement. Thank you so much.
Nice. Your point is very nice, and I agree with your point. You said that you should have planned whatever you are going to do. Okay, so it is very important. I already told you an example of UPSC aspirant. Okay, so you should have remembered that you have planned whatever you are going to do. Okay, so I have another candidate. Yes, you can sit. I have another candidate. We will ask to them. What is your name?
My name is Akash Yadav.
Yes.
And
Where are you from?
I am from Bishnugad.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you a student?
Yes, I am a
So
student.
when did you come here?
In after 10th, passed out my 10th.
After passing your 10th?
10th, yes.
Okay. You have come here?
Yes.
Okay. So generally people wasting his or her time.
Yes.
Please tell me one or two factors why they are wasting his time. What are the factors?
Yes. First factor is distraction.
Distraction.
Yes.
Okay.
People's distract in social media, and with now distract in social media, and but many people use social media in a profit way for a study and online earning, and it's totally depend on you how you use your time in social media. So if you have and you know many people scrolling reels,
Yes.
and watching entertainment videos, and
So social media somewhere or the other wasting my time in a proper way. In social media you can watch any informative video on social media, but if you are watching some non-relevant video, then it is not true. You can watch for entertainment purpose for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, but if you are using social media without any reason, then it is not true for you, all of you. Okay. Yes. Have you any other factor?
yes, and second factor is low motivation.
Lack of motivation.
Yes, low motivation and lack of motivation. Personally, I am a student, and when I am demotivated and low motivation, then I think about my parents. What my parents think about me, how I do, and I go to study in Hazaribagh, and what I work for, and for a job. Like
You should take motivation from any of the person, so that we can do whatever you want, because of lack of motivation some time we get nervous. Okay, so that's it is very important to you should have motivation, and you should have motivated person. Okay, so yes, we have another candidate. May I name you?
my name is Dipesh Soni.
Okay, Dipesh. Where are you from?
I am from Barhi.
Barhi. So when did you come to Hazaribagh?
I am coming a study purpose. I am coming Hazaribagh
Yes. When did you come?
in 1 month ago.
1 month ago for a studying purpose.
Yes.
So you are a student.
Yeah, I am a student.
So please tell me one or two factors why a student are not able to manage his time.
Okay, people are not able to time because
5 minutes work and take 10 minutes.
Yes.
And suppose a people going to coaching and road closed due to traffic, he go to later. So time is wasting. Suppose I take mobile phone for a study, but then I feel like watching the video only 5 minutes.
Yes.
But because of this 5 minutes, I waste 1 hour. So time is wasting.
Yes.
And lack of awareness.
Yes.
And, suppose if people
Yes.
one should study 5 to 6 hours only, but some people 15 16 hours study. So this
They
is
get
not this
distracted.
is a wrong way.
Yes, they get distracted after
Yes,
reading or studying after a long time.
Yeah, this is a wrong way.
Yes.
So time is wasting. Okay.
Okay. So you said right answer that lack of motivation, and if you are reading or you are studying for a long time like 10 hour or 20 hour regularly, then it is not better. People mind can't concentrate his or her mind for a long time, because he should her should he should break for 1 minute or 2 minute, or you can say 5 minute. Okay, so I have another candidate. He will share his opinion with you all, us. So please tell me, what is your name?
My name is Imran Khan.
Your name is Imran Khan.
Yes.
Okay, so where are you from?
I am from Ramgarh, but currently I am living in Hazaribagh.
Take it.
Okay.
Okay, so you are from Ramgarh.
Yeah.
So why did you come here?
I am from study. I am from complete my intermediate
You came here for completing your intermediate.
and also preparing for JEE.
You are preparing for JEE.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are aspirant.
Yeah, I am a aspirant.
Okay, so please tell me, what are the factor? Mostly people or a student are not able to manage his time. Why?
As we see that our team members are say that there are too many factors, but I want to say about the factor of time management is health issues, because
Yes.
these days I am affected with health issues. Students who are suffering with any disease, then he can't manage our time and he can't concentrate with his studies, and he can't do anything.
Yes.
And the second thing is the too many students are come here for study, but there are too many students who are distracted with his friends or room partners, because the room partners or the friends are distracted to he's saying that let's go for holiday and let's go there, and we say that yes, and then we can give our time, then we can't give our time to study.
Yes.
These are the too many factors of distracting our mind and studies. Thank you.
So he said that somewhere or the other, making lots of friends are the factor due to we are not able to manage our time. So it is also very true. Okay, so I have, okay, so we have one more candidate we will know about. So may I know what is your name?
My name is Sanuj Kumar.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Barkagaon
Okay,
Yes.
so what are you doing here?
for a study purpose.
You came here for a study purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, how many member are in your family?
I have 6 members in my family.
Okay, so you came here for a study purpose.
Yeah.
So please tell me the factor why people are not able to manage this time.
Okay, so most of students are feeling fear
Yes.
before giving any exams.
Yes.
So this reason students are not concentrate on their exam, and many
Facing lots of exam. Yes.
yeah. And many students are not concentrate on
his study.
Many students don't concentrate on their study because he don't understand which work is done first or which later.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Prioritization. They have no skill of prioritization. That's why they were wasting his time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It's fine. I have two more candidates. We will ask to them that why people are not able to manage his time. Okay. So may I have your what is your name?
Yes, my name is Simran Kumari.
Yes. So where are you from?
I'm from Vishnugarh.
Vishnugarh.
Okay, and but these days I'm living in Hazari for a study purpose.
Okay. So you can go anywhere else from Hazaribagh. Why did you come here? Why did you choose Hazaribagh?
Because my friends and my father says that my hometown is Vishnugarh and Hazaribagh is very near to Vishnugarh. So my father says that Hazaribagh is good for a study purpose.
Okay. So you are a student.
Yes, I am student.
So please tell me one or two factor.
Okay.
Why there are lots of students.
Yes.
And they said that I am not able to manage our time for lack of confidence, lack of motivation. They said many reasons. So please tell me
Yes.
one or two reasons.
So basically, management is very important in our life. Better time management is not just about your working harder. It's just about your smarter working. And time is a most valuable asset. And making time management. I'm just about a time management of two factors. First of all, distraction.
Distraction, yes.
Anything distract you like emails, texts, and social media is very distracted to our time. And second is make a plan of a day. And time management is not achieved. It involve your amount of planning. Just like initially for which important your task. And second something is simple and easy for easy. This type of planning your improve and you help us time management. Thank you so much.
You said that you should have planned whatever you are going to do. Okay. So thank you. You should you gave very main factor of time management. Okay.